Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Electrolux Zanussi dryer powers on but the drum refuses to rotate, drying clothes can become impossible and the cycle may stop prematurely. A non-spinning drum can be caused by an overloaded load, a door issue, airflow restrictions, or a temporary electronic glitch affecting the Electrolux Zanussi dryer. Fortunately, not every spinning problem points to a major breakdown. There are several simple checks you can perform before considering repairs. In this video, I'll walk you through a few troubleshooting steps that may help get your Electrolux Zanussi dryer spinning properly again. Try these. Step 1. Make sure the door of the Electrolux Zanussi dryer is completely closed before starting a cycle. Step 2. Remove some clothing if the Electrolux Zanussi dryer appears overloaded. Step 3. Clean the lint filter inside the Electrolux Zanussi dryer to improve airflow. Step 4. Disconnect the Electrolux Zanussi dryer from power for several minutes to reset the controls. Step 5. Restart the Electrolux Zanussi dryer and select a new drying program. Step 6. Observe whether the drum inside the Electrolux Zanussi dryer begins rotating normal reset operation.